Okay, so the first module we introduce mindfulness and help you to see the typical habits of your mind, often things that, you know, it's something that we use all the time, but we haven't really paid much attention to how it works, how our thinking works. And when you become aware of that, it gives you a tremendous amount of power to be able to start managing your thinking and making some conscious choice around how you want to use your thinking. We introduce a couple of meditation practices that lead into the main one, which is the sensation meditation. And this is really designed to help. It's a practice that you can use anytime, anywhere. And if you use it consistently 20 minutes a day, as often as you can, it will train and condition your mind into becoming less reactive on the bigger things. Because, you know, when you practice it sitting still and you learn to not react to physical sensations, for example, then you are better able to do that in the real world when the big stuff happens, because your mind just learns the habit of non-reactivity.
So it's really important to have an awareness around our thinking, you know, the process of what's actually going on in our mind. And this, of course, will lead us to being able to work with those thoughts. We can either use CBT practices, or when we're doing mindfulness, it's much more about just observing this flow of thinking. And let's be honest, you don't always want to go to war with your thoughts, the content. So it's actually quite beneficial to just be able to watch this flow and not have to judge and therefore not have to react. So in Module 1, you'll learn all about how your thoughts are transient. They arise and they dissolve. They're impermanent, fortunately. And that it doesn't help to try and stop them completely, but rather learn how to manage them.